Everything in your body, such as mood, stress levels, appetite, and overall health, is stimulated by hormones, and its balance is necessary to keep everything in good form. Imbalanced hormone leads to heightened stress, fatigue, irregular menstrual cycles, and general irritability. We may hurry to a physician to fix the hormonal issues using medications, but some natural foods serve as remedy for hormonal balance. Let us study them in detail. Grains and rice. Nutrient-rich complex and whole food carbohydrates contains high amount of fiber. They reduce cortisol levels and help stabilize blood sugar, hence these foods are best for restoring your hormone balance. Consuming quality carbs in balance with a whole food diet supports your hormones and maintains your body's ability to regenerate new cells and stay balanced and happy. Wheat, rice, oats, noodles, and pasta are high in carbohydrates that give you energy to function. Broccoli. Broccoli plays a vital role in your hormonal balance as it effectively breaks down estrogen. Sulforaphane is a crucial element of broccoli that helps treat cancer, fatty liver diseases, and other illnesses. Broccoli contains vital minerals such as calcium, potassium, and magnesium that provide muscle functionality and strengthen bones. Green leafy vegetables. According to a study, people should consume 25 to 35 grams of fiber daily to sustain hormonal balance. Leafy greens are a rich source of fiber that is particularly useful for people with a history or risk of hormone-sensitive breast cancer, as it assists in bringing down estrogen levels. Avocado. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and fiber, therefore these stand among the healthiest fruit in the world. Avocado improves heart health as well as uplifts testosterone levels and lowers the absorptions of estrogen. Eating 1/4 of an avocado daily improves your overall health. These are high in calories as you must consume them in moderation. Fatty fish. Salmon, lake trout, herring, mackerel, and sardines are all fatty fish that help stabilize your hunger hormones. The good fats in fish improve overall hormonal communication, serving best for restoring hormonal balance. The endocrine system uses hormones to communicate with the brain, which improves cognitive abilities and boosts your mood. In addition, these are high in vitamin D, which improves female testosterone levels. A balance in these hormones positively affects your concerns, including fatigue, weight gain, and depression. A sufficient amount of fatty fish improves your skin, nails, and hair health. Cherries. Cherries are high in melatonin, a crucial element for hormone balance and restful sleep. Cherries contain the mineral magnesium that helps regulate adrenaline and reduce cortisol in your body. Nuts. Nuts are great as a snack when munched or added to salads. They play an essential role in maintaining hormonal balance due to poly and monounsaturated fats. These help in regulating hormone production and blood vessel health. They keep up blood sugar and have a positive impact on your endocrine system. Nuts also help lower insulin and cholesterol levels. Among these, almonds and walnuts promote good brain health and improve your metabolism due to having omega-3 fatty acids. These are high in protein and antioxidants that maintain your skin and hair health. Brazil nuts are a superfood in regulating hormones due to a nutrient selenium that supports thyroid health. Eggs. Similar to other protein-rich foods, eggs are one of those hormone-friendly foods that satiate you for an extended period, leaving little space for calories. These are abundant in HDL, healthy cholesterol that your body needs for creating hormones. Eggs positively affect ghrelin and insulin hormones in the body, controlling blood sugar and appetite. If you liked and enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates like this.